Tulad sa Senado, may kinwestiyon din sa Kamara kaugnay ng late na pagpaparehistro ng kapanganakan ng isang hinihinalang Chinese national. Sa kanya umano ang warehouse sa Pampanga kung saan may nasabat na 3 bilyong pisong halaga ng shabu. Nakatutok si Tina Pangiliban Perez.
Sa investigasyon ng House Committee on Dangerous Drugs, sa mahigit 3 bilyong pisong halaga ng syabong nasabat sa Mexico, Pampanga, naungkat ang mga may-ari ng warehouse ng Empire 999 kung saan ito nabisto na puro umano Chinese.
They own 55% of the Empire 999 Realty Corporation, which is in direct violation of the constitutional prohibition or limitation of the 60-40 equity. The SEC must now cancel the registration and dissolve the corporation. They are not Filipinos. Their Philippine passports must be immediately canceled.
Binusisi ang kapanganakan ng isa sa kanila na posibleng late na nairehistro.
PSA confirmed his existence not by a certificate of live birth, but by a mere certification allegedly issued by a local civil registrar in May Kawayan, Bulacan, dated August 31st of 2001. The certification states that one Willie Ong was born there on May 29, 1977.
The birth certificate of Mr. Willie Ong was loaded in our system is based on the endorsements letter that we received from the former LCR, which was dated August 13, 2003.
Anong parte ng inyong probisyon na pinapayagan nyo ang late registration? Like for the example of Mayor Alice Guan?
In exchange for what? Diba? For something, probably, monetary. Diba? Kasi wala namang gagawa ng ganitong kalokohan na alam nilang labag sa batas kung walang kapalit po ito.
Wala sa pagdinig si Ong, pero pinaniniwalaang siya ang nakalabas ng Pilipinas nitong Oktubre gamit ang Chinese passport at ibang pangalan.
Kai Ki Meng, born on July 24, 1977, departed for Hong Kong on October 10, 2023, the day after we started this investigation. Kai Ki Meng's photograph is exactly identical with Willie Ong's.